In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for your own tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a usable workflow that saves time and keeps you organized. First, head to the Gumloop Flows page in your browser. This is where you'll see the workspace for building and managing automations. When the page loads, look over to the left-hand side. You'll find the main navigation menu there, and it's your hub for moving between different parts of the product. From that menu, open the Workflows area. This section is dedicated to the automations you create, and it's where you'll start something new or revisit what you've made before. Next, create a new workflow. You'll see a button labeled Create Workflow. Click it to open a fresh builder. The builder is where the magic happens. At the center of the screen, you'll find a prompt field. Think of the prompt as your set of instructions written in clear, natural language. You don't need special syntax, just tell Gumloop what you want it to do. Go ahead and type your prompt. For example, you might write, organize into a structured weekly plan, prioritize based on impact. This kind of instruction works well because it's concise, action-oriented, and clearly states the output format you want. To make your results even better, add context like the time frame, the audience, or any constraints. For instance, you could specify the number of items per day, the format you want returned, or a definition of impact for your use case. The more precise your intent, the more accurate the workflow's output. Once your prompt is ready, let Gumloop do the work. You'll see it process your request, and depending on complexity, this may take a moment. Keep the tab open while it runs. You might notice a progress indicator or status updates as it completes each part. If your prompt involves multiple actions or richer detail, expect a slightly longer runtime. When it finishes, your results will appear in the output area. Review them closely to confirm they match your intent. If something looks off, small wording tweaks can make a big difference. Clarify the format, add examples, or tighten your constraints, and you'll see more consistent outcomes next time. That's it. You went from opening the Flows page to the Workflows area to creating a workflow, writing a clear prompt, and waiting for Gumloop to generate your result. Use this approach for planning, research summaries, task batching, and more.